Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to access templates in Instagram Reels that you can use. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Instagram application on your mobile phone if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go to the App Store on your mobile phone, search for Instagram and download the application itself. So once you've gotten it, you want to open it up and log into your account. So go ahead and log in, and once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this home page right here. This is the main page from where we can get started accessing everything we need. Here at the top we have the story options right here to manage the stories. Here we can view everything, the feed, and now we can get started posting reels. So how do we post reels? Well, it's very easy guys, and to be able to post reels and templates, we're just going to go ahead and look right here at the bottom of the screen. We can click this plus button in the middle of the screen right here. Click the plus button. That's going to open up this new menu. Here you can select that you want to upload a reel. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, you can want to click the reel option, and here you can get started using reels. And at the top of the page, as you can see, you have your templates. So once you click on templates, this is now going to go ahead and give us the option to browse all the templates or reels, the trending ones, recommended ones, and so on that you can use for your reels. So find the template you want to use, select it, and get started with using it for the reels yourself. So you can use the audio, you can use the video, whatever you prefer. It's all going to be available right here from the template section. Once you're ready, you can get started posting it and uploading the reel to your profile, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So I guess thanks for watching, take care, and bye.